Hello, my name is Firas. I'm a software engineer from Tunisia and I make AI automations. So today I'm going to present an automation that I made that will help recruitment teams handle a large amount of applications. Okay, so to test this out, for example, let's say I'm an applicant and I'm going to apply for a job. For example, I will put my name. For example, I want to apply for the sales and clinical rep job, and I will just paste my CV. Okay, so usually it will be a PDF file, and the ATS provider handles that. Okay, so we wait a moment. And we can already see we got a message on Telegram saying that this candidate is shortlisted with this score, and we have the reason. Okay, so the reason we got shortlisted because our resume matches with the job description. Okay, so we're using Notion as our as our database. Okay, for example, we can see in the candidates we have Firas here. Uh, we just applied and we got shortlisted. We can see all the informations, the CV, the score we got, and the reason. Everything is also synchronized with Trello. Uh, we can see it here in the board. Okay, meanwhile, okay, yeah. Okay, so currently it's applied on Trello, but it will get updated soon. Oh, yeah, sorry, it's in screen and here. And we can see an example of someone who didn't get a good score, and they will get a rejection email. Yeah, for example, this applicant didn't get applied, and here I chose to put the reason in the email. We can always remove that. Okay, let's keep seeing our knowledge database. Okay, so we have the job requirements where it gets updated automatically whenever a job posting is added to Webflow, and vice versa. If we add a job here, it will get added to Webflow too. We also have a signal pipeline that will look for any kind of signals we want. For example, here I wanted to get the news about funding raising in Switzerland, and we also have a dashboard that combines everything. We can see all our candidates here, their score. We can change their stage and it will get changed on Notion. We also have filter by score. You can see all the information here. You can see our open roles, and we can see the news we got with the warmth. You can get something cold or warm. Okay, if we want to have a quick look on the automation, uh, here this handles from when the applicant applies and gets scored, and we get Telegram message if it's a match. If it's a rejection, they get an email. Here, this is used for our admin dashboard to get all the informations from Notion. We have the Trello sense here. Same thing for Webflow, and this to extract the job requirements, and this to search for the funding news. I used simple Google search here, but I recommend using a more trusted provider that will get us more quality data. Okay, and all of this is on a self-hosted N8N on Azure containers, and I recommend doing that instead of buying, I don't know, for example, $24 subscription, because it has a limited number of executions, and you can burn those in just one day. For example, here I chose to use schedules, whereas I recommend using webhooks. But if I will use this, I can burn more than 1K executions in just one day. And just to clarify, this is just a demo, proof of concept to just show the potential. I don't think that this can be put into production today, but with small adjustments and more like product thinking, this can definitely be used in production and handling real users. Although I really recommend doing a lot of testing, human in the loop, to make sure that the system is reliable and trustworthy. And so, thanks for watching. Goodbye.